To create your own enterprise large language model at Enapse. We are living on the age of AI. We have large language model, we have deep learning, we have machine learning algorithms, and every one of them has great use. But on some case for companies and enterprise, it's very important that you own your AI, that you have your AI in a safe place, in a safe infrastructure, that only your company and your employees has access. And in this way, you can train your AI, your state-of-art large language model with your data, with your documents, and this is secure and private on your own environment. That's what Enapse is here for. Enapse wants you to own your AI and have them on your own environment, on your own infrastructure. Okay, so let me show you how on the Enapse dashboard how you can easily in a few minutes have your own state of art large language model. Okay guys, so here we are on the Enapse dashboard. Once you have your login, this is gonna be like the first page, the initial interface. And as you can see here, we have our cloud models page. And this page is basically a list of the models that we have available right now on the Enapse platform. We have the Falcon, we have the Gemma from Google. The Gemma is the model built by Google DeepMind. That is the foundation model for Gemini, and we have the Mistral, and we have the Llama. With time, we're gonna add more models here. We are creating a list of models, and even the companies, if you want like to sell your open weighted model or you want to use another companies to share the same model, you are able to do that. But on this beginning, we are focused on the idea of own your LLM. So you are the owner of your own AI. And for deploy a private chat GPT is very simple. We have the Llama, so let's choose the Llama by Meta. You can click here on install, and here we have two versions right now, the 7 billion parameters and the 8 billion parameters. We also have the 400 billion parameters that we're going to be releasing next week. But you can also use the 400 billion parameters as I explained in the other video on the use gamma 3.1. And the difference here is that you're going to be paying per token, and by deploying your own AI, you're going to be paying by resource. So you have like your own container running your own LLM on your private environment in a multi-tenant layer. And you can also choose here the resource available. We have two options, the basic 8 billions, that is a machine to run 8 billions or 10 billions models, such as the Gemma and the Llama. And we have the GPU. Obviously, with GPU that we're going to be using on this example, it will generate more tokens per second, but the CPU only inference, it works pretty well if you have like uh, a smaller use case, and then you're not gonna be needing using the LLM every time and for a lot of users. And right now we only have the Ohio region, but on the future we're gonna like release to East Coast, West Coast, also Europe and South America. And we also have the pricing details here. At Enapse, we want the users to have like a this is like a expectation, it's like a proximity of the price, and we want users to have this visibility. We don't like hidden price, so the users have like a surprise on their billing. And we have finish and install, and then once we click here on OK, it will take like a few minutes. Okay, guys, so just after few clicks and a few minutes, on the tab My Models on your Enapse dashboard, you're gonna have like your model deployed up and running. It will take normally 3 to 5 minutes because once you install a model, It will create a private virtual machine running your model on a multi-tenancy layer. So it means that only your company have access to this model, and especially if it's on BioC. If it's a BioC on your own cloud, it means they will be running on your cloud, not an Enapse cloud. And the members of your organization will have access to it. And you can have like click here on chat, and it will load like this, like so similar chat experience. And then we can like have your prompts here, like let's add something about what should I know before learning quantum mechanic, and then our model should like start answer. And as you can see, it's a pretty good answer. Of course, this is a 8 billion parameters, which means that it has less training data than the 7 billion parameters. But the 8 billion parameters is a very good model, especially if we want to do RAG, which we're gonna see on the next video. Uh, I will leave the link below in the description. And if you have like, let's say, a lot of data, or like you have like a specific use case for your model and you want to train the data, you can use like this model like the Gemma with 9 billion parameters or the Llama with 9 billion parameters, that it will work perfectly fine for your use case. So as you can see, this is like the answer the model gives, and you can ask a bunch of questions here for your specific use case. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today you learned how to create your own large language model at Enapse platform. You could see that was super easily, and it took like a couple of minutes for you to have a state-of-art large language model. And I'm gonna leave the link below so you can like request your access to our platform and start to use at your company and build your own AI. Also, keep watching our YouTube channel. We're gonna be delivering a lot of content about AI and use case that you can apply, and also talk about RAG and how perform better with your own large language model. Thank you.